Here's the tutorial on how to create, configure, and install an OS in a virtual machine. Firstly, we're going to describe what is a virtual machine. A virtual machine allows you to run a guest operating system on top of your host without making any changes, other than installing the virtual machine platform to your primary operating system. My virtual machine platform of choice is called VirtualBox, which can be installed on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows Host. VirtualBox is free and very easy to use. Go to your Google, then you search VirtualBox. After that, you select Windows Host. After selecting the Windows Host, you can be able to download your VirtualBox for free. After downloading your VirtualBox, the first thing you'll do is open VirtualBox from your computer desktop menu. Once the application is open, click Tools and then click New. In the first window of the wizard, give the virtual machine a name. Select the folder to house the files. Select the type of operating system for the new virtual machine and the version, and then click Next. In the next window, slide the memory size slider to right the increase the RAM, the amount of RAM you want to allocate to the machine. Click Next and in the resulting window, click Create to create a new virtual hard disk. In the next two windows, select VDI and then dynamically allocated. In the final window, slide the slider to the right to increase the size of the virtual hard disk to however large you need, and make sure to select the folder to house the drive. Click Create and you'll be returned to the virtual main window. Go to the search bar of your preference, which can be Google, and download an OS, which stands for operating system, example Ubuntu. Add the IIS image for installation. Select the virtual machine you just created from the left page and then click Settings. In the resulting window, click Storage and then click the left plus associated with Controller. In the resulting window, click Add. And when you file manage op- and then when your file manage opens, navigate to wherever it is you save the the ISO image for the Linux distribution you downloaded. Once you select your ISO image, click choose and then OK. You should now find yourself back at the VirtualBox main window where you are ready to run the virtual machine. Start the installation. Select the virtual machine you just created in the left navigation and click the Start button, which will launch the bootable image, and depending on the Linux distribution you've chosen, should land you at either the live image, where you can either test or install the guest operating system, or immediately install the guest. Finally, make sure you go through the full installation process for the guest operating system you've chosen. In most cases, that will require clicking the install icon on the desktop, and from there you are done. Thank you. I hope you learned, even if it's not that perfect, at least now you got a clue.